Okay, so we're gonna try to do a battery test, like a real world one on the S10 Plus, basically checking the battery throughout the video to see where it's at based on the things that we're doing. What we're doing today though is kind of interesting in that Samsung has invited me and a few other people you guys might know on a helicopter ride to a mountain nearby, and then we're gonna kind of go wander around the mountain and take photos with the phone. So it'll be a really good test of how long this phone's battery lasts. Now, at the moment, we are at, I don't know if you guys can see that, 100%, it is 10:15 a.m. I need coffee, so let's start there. Okay, got coffee. And now I'm gonna run over to the Samsung store, which is apparently where we're meeting everybody to then get on a bus to then get to a helicopter. Yeah, should be interesting. Just really quick though about this test, I'm leaving everything on default. So the screen resolution, for example, is FHD+, which is what it comes on by default, etc., etc., etc. All the other settings, I'm leaving them the way that they came on the phone, just because I feel like that's the most basic test to be able to do this with. So, it is now 11:20 or so, and we are at 95%. Thank you. Okay, so the helicopter drops us off at what is like a vineyard hotel. It's beautiful, but this gives us a second to check the battery, right? So on the helicopter, I was taking a ton of photos, a ton of videos, using super steady mode. Like, this is a pretty intense battery test, if we're being completely honest. But I am at, well, first off, it is 1:57, and I am at 74%. I don't know if you guys can see that, but not too bad so far. Let's continue. So we made it up to the top of the mountain. This place is gorgeous, I'm not gonna lie. But now we're having a really quick bite as we're late apparently for the tour. Story of our lives. And gives us a second though to check the battery life. Again, took a lot of photos on the thing up, but it is now 3:12 and I have 63%. Now we're going on a tour. I swear that's a phone. He's tweeting. Okay, first off, Monzerat is crazy. It's like a beautiful chapel on the top of a mountain. There's a museum, there's like Monet's and all just sorts of amazing paintings and art, and it's just beautiful. And so I've been taking a lot of photos. So now we are at, let's see, it is 4:20 p.m. and I'm at 54%. What is your normal usage with that? How is the battery?
I've ended the day at 40.
40%? Yeah. 40%. Okay. Yeah. And I have two so far.
We've been doing MWC packed with people.
Right.
I'm on roaming with Google Fi.
Right.
So, what other battery?
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's been really good to me.
Yeah. Same.
Yeah.
Stay back at the Airbnb, gonna kind of freshen up for a little bit and then go maybe grab a little bite to eat for the end of the night. As it is, 9 o'clock here, and that's basically Spain's dinner time, I've learned. While we are looking at the time, it is 9:06, and I am at 11%. And considering how intense this day has been on this battery, like I've been using the video camera with the stabilization, like something that really does kill a phone's battery, and this isn't probably the most typical of days. I'd say so far we're doing pretty well. I was just about to show you the battery level here, and it died on me too quickly. But it is around 11:30, and it just finally died. So I have to say that's pretty good. Considering the amount of stuff I did with this phone on the helicopter ride, and just like so many videos, all in 4K, some in HDR, like that's pretty good to go from 10:15 to 11:30. I would say that's probably on par with the Mate 20 Pro, and it's definitely better than the older Galaxies. So not too shabby. But there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. And if you enjoyed it, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ding the bell next to where to subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. And check out my recently relaunched blog. The link is below. You can also subscribe to the weekly newsletter there, where I do tips and tricks and other things that just don't necessarily make it here to video. As always though, regardless, thanks for watching.